Assalamualaikum.
I'm Ha.
Okay. Greetings.
And personal info.
Personal.
Personal info.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Ha.
Look at the camera.
I'm Ha. You can call me Ha.
Okay. Can you spell your name? Boleh je nama?
HAQ.
Okay. How old are you?
I am 9 years old.
I'm.
I'm
9.
9 years old. I'm 9.
Okay. Where do you live?
I live in Perak.
Okay. I stay
in Ipoh. I live
Near.
near TUDM.
TUDM. Okay. Okay. Move to the next slide. What's your name? Repeat. What's your name?
What's your name?
Meaning? Maksud?
Apakah nama awak?
Okay. Read perkataan.
Perkataan berkaitan.
First name.
First name. Nama pertama. Contoh.
No need to read contoh. No need to read contoh. Skip. Last name. Surname. Nama.
Nama keluarga. Nama akhir.
Look at the camera. Nickname.
Nama
Panggilan.
Nama panggilan. Full name. Nama penuh.
Okay. Next. Number 3. Can you spell your name? Again. Can you
spell your name?
Boleh.
Awak eja nama awak.
Okay.
Perkataan berkaitan. Spell, eja.
Letters.
Huruf.
Alphabet.
Abjad.
Okay.
Capital letters.
Capital.
Capital letters. Huruf besar. Small letters.
Letters.
Huruf kecil.
Sound it out.
Sebut satu persatu.
Okay. Sound it out. Sound your name out. Sound it out. Muhammad. Satu persatu.
Muhammad Haq Nail. Bin
Okay.
Muhammad Firdaus.
Okay, thank you. Next, number 4. Page 4. How? Refer page 4.
Where?
How? Number 4. Tengok bawah, tekan dulu.
Where do you...
How? Number 4.
How old are you?
Berapa?
Berapa umur awak?
Okay, perkataan berkaitan. Perkataan berkaitan. Yes. Tahun. Okay, birthday.
Hari lahir.
Age.
Umur.
Younger. Oldest.
Muda, lebih muda, paling tua. Grade.
Standard.
Dah ujar.
Okay, next. Page 5. Where do you live?
Where do you live?
Di mana awak tinggal?
Perkataan berkaitan tempat tinggal. Housing area.
Housing
area.
Residential area.
Housing
Estate. Okay.
City. Bandar. Town. Pekan. Village. Kampung. Kampung. District. Daerah. State. Negara. Country. Negara. Kontinen. Benua. Address.
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 Bukan the. Address.
Address.
Ha.
Alamat. Area, kawasan. Ni.
Neighborhood.
Neighborhood. Kejiranan.
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 Okay, page 6. Next slide. Number 6. Where do you live?
Where do you live? Di mana awak tinggal?
Perkataan berkaitan tempat tinggal. Gated community.
Perkataan berkaitan tempat tinggal. Gated community, kawasan.
Community.
Community.
Kawasan.
Kawasan pagar.
Terrace house.
Terrace house, rumah terrace.
Semi-detached house.
House, rumah.
Bar. Okay. Bungalow.
Bungalow.
Flat.
Apartment.
Pangsapuri. Apartment. Row
of
houses. Deretan.
Rumah.
Okay, next. Number 7. Perkataan arah dan lokasi. Okay, jump to the next one. Near. Number 7.
Near. Dekat. Far, jauh. Next to the.
Di sebelah.
Behind, di belakang. In front of, di hadapan. Beside, di tepi.
Opposite.
Bertintangan dengan.
Okay. Last.
Where do you live?
Okay, perkataan berkaitan.
Berkaitan mercu tanda.
Landmark.
Mercu tanda.
Mosque. Bukan. Mosque.
Masjid. School, sekolah. Hospital, supermarket, pasar raya, park, taman, library, perpustakaan, police station, balai poli, post of street, pejabat pos, playground, taman permainan, shopping mall, pusat pembeli belah, petrol station, stesen minyak.
Thank you so much, Mama Art Naya.
Bye.
You managed to complete the task, but then later I want you to memorize. Okay, part by part. Okay, tomorrow we start to memorize part by part. Thank you so much. Good night.